Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. Ring, ding, ding, ding. I'm on it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise.
Good morning! I'm ready! Ang aga pa guys, wala pang alas 9 the last time I checked. Well, it's exactly 9 in the morning. Meron akong haircut appointment today. Alas 10. And malapit lang yung salon. So, ang dami ko pang time. May time pa tayong ayusin tong aking apakakalat na kitchen dining. Tingnan nyo naman. Yan yung in-unbox natin kahapon. Tapos nawala na ng time na ayusin yan. Naayos namin kasi yung buong bahay. Kasi ang kalat-kalat. Kasi yung mga bata naglalaro. So, naayos namin yung ito. Tapos yung second lounge. But, ito yung naiwan. But that's from Yes Style. Sabi ko kasi, ipakita ko sa inyo. Hindi ko man lang napakita sa inyo. Inopen lang ni Arlo. Tapos, wala naman siyang ka-interest-interest. Kasi wala namang toys. And even the unboxing that we did from Tita Rich, hindi ko napakita ng ayos because ang gulo-gulo kahapon. So, she got Indy 2 dresses pala. Yeah, look at the dresses. So cute. Ang ganda. Ganda. Alam niya yung aesthetic ko eh. It's 6 to 9 months. Ito, ipapadala ko to sa Philippines kasi sayang to. Hindi to kasya kay Dani. Ang ganda pa naman sana. Ito yung mga gusto niya, mga singlet. Okay lang sa kanya mag-white. Kasi kung napapansin nyo, hindi nagwa-white talaga si Dan. Magwa-white siya na singlet as long as may print. So ito sana, perfect sana to sa kanya. But unfortunately, this doesn't fit him. So it goes in the balikbayan box. And ito kay Arlo. Kaya lang ang puti-puti naman niya. So labhan na natin to. Yung sabi ko magde-declutter ako ng shoes, hindi pa guys. But yung Crocs ni Arlo kasya na. Yung kay Ayla masyado pang malaki. Napakita ko sa inyo yung December order ko sa Yes Style. Again, I get vouchers from Yes Style monthly. So, ito yung in-order ko sa month of December. So, I ordered this. Lagi kong chine-check yung skincare ko kung available. Kasi hindi siya laging available, guys. Ito yung gamit kong moisturizer at the moment. It's from Sulwhasoo. Concentrated ginseng. So, I use their yung parang serum nila na concentrated ginseng din. Kung meron siya, I order it and I stock up on it kasi nga hindi siya laging available. So, nung chinek ko siya, nung nag-order ako for this, meron ito, wala yung serum ko. So, next time, i-check ko ulit. Tapos, kapag meron na siya, I add it to cart. Meron naman siya, kaya lang it will be shipped within 21 days. That will take forever, guys. Chine-check out ko lang siya kapag it is available to ship within 24 hours. So, yan yung gamit kong moisturizer. Ito-try ko to. I think it is it's a tinted milk cream blush. Ayan, cute. Ganyan siya. From Holika. Huy, napaka-pink naman talaga. Hey Bunny yung pinili ko. It's cream. Tapos may kasama na siyang puff. Ay, uy! Ay, wait. Lipstick ko to, diba? Akala ko naman ganyan yung kulay. Lipstick ko yan. Parang buwang naman talaga. Ganyan siya. Very light. Yan talaga yung shade na pinili mo, sis. Sure ka talaga dyan? Ganyan talaga ka-light. As in, ganyan talaga ka-light yung pinili mo. Totoo talaga. Yep, yan talaga yung pinili ko guys. Ganyan talaga ka-light. Paano mo naisip na magiging maganda sa'yo yan tingnan? Now, it won't look good on me. And then I got some nails. I'll show you my favorite. That's my favorite set. Ang ganda niya, diba? Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga press-on nails, mura lang sa YesStyle guys. And they're pretty good quality naman. Ayan. And that. And these nails, I believe you can reuse. I haven't reused the nails that I've used yet. But I did keep them to reuse in the future. Kasi may glue kasing natitira. Tapos I don't have time to file the nail mismo. I mean the press-on nail. So hindi ko pa siya na-reuse. But you can reuse these nails. I'm pretty sure. Unless masira talaga yung press-on. Like yung nangyari nung nagpunta ka tayo sa Coldplay. Nasira yung press-on nail ko nun. But if natanggal mo na siya tapos hindi pa siya sira, I'm pretty sure you can reuse. This one looks really pretty. This I've been wanting to get. It is an earring. Ang ganda ng itsura nito. I-post ko yung picture kasi ang ganda ng itsura nito. Meron din kasi silang mga gold-plated na jewelry doon. This is from them as well. Ito yung from this package as well na sinuot ko kahapon. Ang cute lang niya, diba? Lalagay ko din yung picture. Ito pakalaki naman. Hindi ko naman in-expect na ganito siya kalaki. Minsan tinatamad ka nang i-check yung size. Pakalaki, but ang cute niya. Madam na madam ka dito. Hindi siya totoong pearl ha, but ang cute. Ang cute actually. Ang laki-laki nga lang. So they have jewelry, they have makeup, they have skincare, they have nails, they have collagen. That's YesStyle guys. I have 10% off. Razel 10. You will get 10% off kapag umabot ng $49 USD ang inyong order. Plus, if you reach yun $50 USD, you will get free shipping. Free shipping ha? Can you imagine? Gamitin niyo yung code ko always and stock up on your skincare. Like, lalo na yung Korean skincare makeup. Nandun sa YesStyle. And mas mura siya compared sa, well, dito lang ha. Mas mura siya compared sa kapag binili ko siya sa Australia. Like, itong mga sulwaso, hindi siya mura. But mas mura siya kung bibilhin mo siya sa YesStyle kaysa sa bilhin mo siya sa like Mecca or kung saan man nagbenta dito sa Australia. Mas mura doon. Tapos may code pa ako. Oh, gamitin niyo yung code ko. And I stocked up on my collagen. So, ito yung pomegranate collagen stick. Yung collagen na iniinom ko ngayon is iba. Yung powder, masarap din yun actually. But ito masarap din to. I take 2 of these a day. Maasim yung flavor niya. I got 6 boxes of those. Kasi one box has 15 pieces. So, 2 box. Oh my gosh. So, kung 15 pieces lang, 4 na boxes isang buwan. Kasi tagdadalawa ako sa isang araw. Ay, magastos din pala itong ating pa-collagen. Niacinamide body lotion. Chine-check ko lang sa YesStyle kung ano yung body lotion na mag-ship agad-agad because I use lotion all the time. So, I got these glutathione niacinamide body lotion. I'm not sure how effective that is because I have used 1 bottle of this and hindi naman ako pumuti. But hindi din naman ako nagpapaputi. I'm happy with my morena color. But they have that if you're looking for that. Meron yan sa YesStyle. And this one, I'm excited. This is their plain silk bonnet. Medyo may kataasan yung presyo niya. So I'm pretty sure this is real silk. I use silk pillowcases kasi. So medyo familiar na ako sa silk. And yeah, this is silk. Yeah, 100% silk siya. Sabi. So, it is a bonnet. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa ulo mo to cover your hair when you sleep because it's good for the hair, it's good for the skin. That's why I use silk pillowcase. It's good for the skin daw. It's good for the hair. Maganda din itong pang regalo actually. Kung hindi nyo alam kung ano i-regalo nyo. And then, I got it in this color as well. So, I got 2. Kung gusto mong i-wrap yung buhok mo sa gabi, silk gamitin mo. And we are off, people. First time kong pupunta dito sa salon na to. Yung last time nagpagupit ako, nagpunta lang ako sa walk-in na Just Cuts. Every time kasi na nagpapagupit ako, it's usually not planned. Iniisip ko lang, magpapagupit ako ngayon. Tapos, like the week later, iniisip ko na naman, parang hindi kailangan ng buhok ko, ganun, whatever. This time, sabi ko, magpapagupit ako. And nung chinek ko yung mga salon na gusto ko sanang puntahan, fully booked na sila because obviously, holiday season, so fully booked na ang lahat. Simpulan lang naman yung aking peg. Gusto ko lang talaga ipakat siya. Blunt cut, walang layer. I just want it shorter. And if they could fix my bangs, good, just cut it a little bit. I don't know guys. I don't know. Kapag nagpapagupit kasi ako, I don't want like a lot of expectations because I know my hair doesn't deliver. It's just my hair. So kasalanan pala ng buhok ko. Kahit na magpakita ako ng peg na picture, I just know that it won't look the same kasi iba talaga yung buhok ko. I also don't get my hair colored. I do color my hair, but I do it myself and I rarely do it like once every, madalas na yung once a year. Kasi I don't remember when was the last time I colored my hair. I just, as much as possible, I don't touch my hair because sobrang ano niya, sobrang nipis, sobrang fragile. That's why I don't go to salons and get it colored. I don't know, maybe I should go to get it treated. Siguro yun yung dapat kong gawin, no? Ipa-treat lang siya. But I don't know. Alas 10 na, and alas 10 yung aking appointment. But liliko na ako dyan sa car park, nandyan na siya. Just waiting for the lights.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right.
And I'm here.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. It's just me and you. What should I do?
And I'm done. Okay pa siya tingnan ngayon. Bukas, after to basain. Good luck ang tsura nito. I just had her cut it just slightly above the shoulder. Hahaba to guys after ko to siyang i-wash kasi blino-dry niya kaya medyo gumanon siya. Walang arte-arte. Cut lang talaga. Straight cut. Walang layers. Tapos kinat niya din yung bangs ko ng ano lang, trim lang yung bangs. Bagong buhok sa bagong taon. Alright, let's go to Kmart kasi gusto kong ibalik itong socks na na-order ko a while back. Nandito lang to sa car guys. Kasi gusto ko siyang ibalik. Ang dami-dami nito. Kasya to sa akin, kaya lang ang dami-dami nito. Hindi ko kasya kailangan. So, I have to return it kasi nakabili na ako ng socks nung sa Target sa kids. Akala ko kasi, ito yung size. 2 to 8 kasi yung sabi dito. Hindi lang pala talaga ako marunong. So, ibabalik ko yan. And then, meron akong ipipick up sa Kmart din. Tapos, on the way home, I will drop off a return. I'm returning something again. Nice naman sila dun guys. And, mabilis lang din. And yun yung gusto ko lagi. Gusto ko laging mabilis ang serbisyo. Ang sweet ng isang mama dun. Napaka-sweet niya. Sabi niya sa akin, you look like a model. What do you mean you have 3 kids? I know she's just being extra nice, but alam mo yung kapag mama ka na, tapos meron kang, alam mo na yung feeling ng may anak, alam mo kung gaano kahirap. Muntik pa akong mapaluha dun kanina kasi yung isang customer, she's just, you know, extra nice. Malalaman mo talaga kung gaano siya kabait. Tapos parang mafe-feel mo din na may pinagdadaanan siya. Bakit ako naiiyak talaga naman sa kanya? Yung nag-cut ng buhok ko, feeling ko siya din yung may-ari. Sabi niya, ano daw, she's expecting. Tapos nung winawash pa lang yung buhok ko, nag-uusap-usap na sila about bata, ganun-ganun. And then, nung nakaupo na ako para i-cut yung buhok ko, nagtanong yung customer, so, ready na ba yung nursery mo and that? Tapos sabi niya, no, we don't do that. So, nag-smile lang ako. Tapos sabi niya, do you do that? I was like, I did with my first. And then sabi niya, I'm sorry, I just assumed that you have kids. Sabi ko, yeah, I have 3. And then yung customer, sabi niya, you have 3? Are you serious? You look like a model. Ganun-ganun siya. Obviously, guys, I don't look like a model. She's just being extra nice. Oh, sinabi ko pala na, yeah, I have a 3-month-old at home. dun lumabas yung reaction niya. Like, seriously? Tapos parang maluluha na ako kasi sobrang bait niya. She didn't have to say that. Sabi niya, oh my gosh, it must be really busy and all that. Tapos, mas lalo pa akong naging emotional na as in pinipigilan ko talaga ang nararamdaman ko nung sinabi na niya na yung anak ko 19 na at saka 16. Ang gusto ko lang naman maging nice sila sa akin. Bakit ako naiiyak para sa kanya? Sabi niya, ang dami kong sinakripisyo para sa kanya. Pero, ang sakit nila magsalita sa akin. Sabi niya, naawa ko sa kanya. Guys, I have my period. That's why, OA naman tayo today. But, naawa ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, lahat ginawa mo, lahat sinakripisyo mo. My goodness! Mother's Day ba today? Kakaloka, ayoko nang magkwento. Naawa ako sa kanya. Tapos parang ayoko na mag-share ng mga masasaya kasi naawa ako sa kanya. Tapos parang hindi mo masabi sa kanya na it will get better because I have no freaking idea. My gosh, she's way ahead of me. As in, grabe, pinipigilan ko talaga yung luha ko kanina kasi uwang-uwa ko sa kanya. Tapos yung mga tao pang may pinagdadaanan na ganyan, sila yung pinaka nice, grabe mag-throw ng compliments. Like, before pa niya shinare yun ha, sinabi na niya sa akin na, my gosh, you're doing great, look at you. Ganun-ganun siya sa akin, ang bait-bait. Tapos shinare niya na yun nga, yung mga anak niya may pagka-mean daw. Hindi nagte-thank you. Sabi niya, hinahatid ko sila kung saan-saan, hinahatid ko sila sa trabaho. Yan yung ginagawa ko araw-araw. Oh my gosh. The least they can do is be nice to me. Far away. Ay nako, ito na naman yung mata natin, ganito na naman. Whew, anyway, good vibes, good vibes. Dito na ako, nandito na naman si Santa. Ang cute. It is 11:48 and kailangan kong umabot dun sa post office. They close at 12. Far away. Abot ba ako? I've got 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Come on. I just need to drop off the return and then I'm good. So, nagpunta ako ng Kmart. Paka-busy. Ang daming tao. Nag-collect lang ako ng orders ko. And then, nag-shopping din ako konti ng mga mess-free na mga activities, toys, para sa aming road trip. Feeling ko kulang pa ba? Ang hirap. Ang daming tao. And then, nagpunta ako ng Priceline. That was busy as well. Kasi kinuha ko lang yung aking prescription. And then now, let's go. 9 minutes left, 9 minutes left, and they will close. What do you think, guys, of my hair?
So beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Oh. Do you like my hair, Anna?
Yes.
It's beautiful?
Daddy, Mommy's here. Mommy's here.
Looks good, Alo. What are you doing? Nice. Who gave it to you?
Thank you, Mommy.
I didn't give that to you. That's from Tita Rich. Oh, that looks good, mate. I like your Crocs.
I like this one.
Alright, go. Mag-grocery shopping daw si Daddy, guys. Biglaan. Kala ko okay na kami. Meron daw siyang kailangan bilhin. So, dalhin niya itong dalawa. Oh, I love your shoes, Ayla. What? I love your sandal. I love it, mate. Look at that.
You want
you like it?
Yeah, Sissy, from Sissy.
Nice. Are they too small? Or?
No, it's perfect. Ayla's is a bit too big, so she can wear it next time.
I love it.
Yeah, I can see. Bye, love you.
Daddy's car.
Ling Ling, beautiful princess. You wanna watch mommy? Hello? Kunin ko lang yung mga gamit sa car because darating na yung pamilya ko mamaya-maya lang galing sa shops. Clinic and collect ko itong dalawa. So, in-order ko to online nung Sunday, guys, after ng Christmas party. Kasi yung ganito ni Ayla, ako yung nag-add sa wishlist noon. In-add ko siya sa wishlist, binili ni Kat, and hindi ko naman ma-request yung marami kasi syempre may limit kami. So, ni-request ko lang yung kung ano yung sa limit ng aming Kris Kringle. And then, she ended up really liking it. Like, they play it a lot. So, nag-order ako ng more pa. Tapos, meron pa akong more na inad pa siya sa wishlist for family. So, she's getting more of these. So, ito, ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. I just got my prescription from Priceline. And bumili lang ako ng gatas ni Indy. Kaya, huwag mag-alala. And then, more from Kmart. Ito yung kailangan kong itago, guys. While we're here, let's open this, guys. This is from Tito Wendell again. Tito Wendell, sana this is the last one. Kasi sobrang dami na talaga. Hindi ko na alam kung ano gagawin ko sa dami nitong mga regalong to. Oh my gosh. Dinosaur squishy for Arlo. I-open ko lang ha. Tingnan ko lang. Kasi puro kasi pang kay Arlo. Feeling ko pang dart. I'm not sure. Yeah. Feeling ko dart kasi meron siyang mga score. Ito. Oh, ang cute! Pang Indy or Ayla. Indy siguro yan. Babe, look. That's for you, baby. Ah, that's for Indy girl. My first New Year. Oh, that's beautiful. Thanks. So, para kay Indy at saka para kay Arlo yung sa package na yun. Buti na lang inopen ko kasi kapag mamaya ko siya inopen na dito yung mga bata, kawawa naman si Ayla. Wala siyang makikitang sa kanya. Alright, and this is from B&J Collections from Perth. Ah, right. So, isa tong kababayan natin na may negosyo, may small business dito sa Australia. Taga Perth siya, guys. We have scrunchies. Christmas or holiday scrunchies. Ayan, ang daming scrunchies. Ayan, ang cute. I-share natin to kay Ate Holly, kay Ate Veronica. And my stickers din. Ah, thank you. My name is Julie. Oh my gosh, she's been watching my vlogs for more than 7 years now. B&J Collections. So, it is a small business of Natalie. She's a daughter of Julie. Thank you guys so much. Siya gumawa nito, guys. And she has a YouTube channel as well. B&J Collections din yung YouTube channel niya. I will look it up and I will leave it sa description box because she filmed a video of her packing these. Thank you very much. I'll share that with the other girls. Oh, mango. Is this for the Kris Kringle? So, yung Kris Kringle namin, yung wishlist nila, yun yung binili ko. And $45 lang yung isa. So, dagdagan namin ng tsokolate. This looks good, actually. Individually wrapped.
Well,
What?
I guess the sparkles can use.
Okay, here.
That's got 20.
And I've got the turutot there for New Year, so don't forget the... What do you call those? What's this? Cheese?
So they had that,
What is it?
your thing. That's all.
Is it Whispers?
Yeah.
Oh!
That's all they had.
Actually, I think I like the original better than the pink.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you got 4 and 3.
That's good. That's alright. I'm gonna bring it to my niece.
Yeah, keep on for Chinese place.
Yeah.
Wow, the Hello Kitties.
Scrunchies.
Wow,
Wow.
that's a lot.
I know.
What
What do you say to Tita?
Thank you.
Say B&J Collections.
B&J Restrictions.
That's right. And this one, I think you'll really like this one. Are you excited for this one?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you spell your name?
I-S-O-A.
Alright, ready? Hold it.
Wow. A ring.
I know, isn't
It's
that pretty?
really small.
It's so cute. Oh, that's beautiful, Bob. You need to put that in the bin. That's rubbish. Okay, don't make too much mess. I just cleaned up. Mommy just cleaned up, girl.
What's mine?
Use aloe there. Look, dinosaur. There, the dinosaur top. Oh, that's nice, Ayla.
got a butterfly sticker.
That's cute.
I got another butterfly sticker.
That's beautiful.
I also got this butterfly
Can I put it
earring.
on?
Yeah.
Go ask Daddy.
I like it.
Okay, but I don't think it'll fit me though.
I want icy pole. Wow. So colorful.
Put your arms through, come
Wow.
on.
Wow.
Does it fit you?
This
Are you
one.
sure it's got a dinosaur on it?
And also
There you go.
this one.
Very nice. Show them.
Mommy, I like this.
You got either heaps of bracelets and hair scrunchies.
Look at the ring, Daddy. So cute.
That's mine.
Nice. Can I have that?
No.
Can I have the ring?
No, my right.
I really, really want it.
Thank you, Tita. I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Oh, well done. Well done. Who taught you that? To say that?
Is this stickers?
That, yeah? Who taught you to say that? Wish you a Merry Christmas.
No one did. I just wanted to do it.
Aww. That's so nice.
Why is it very tiny? Why is it very tiny though?
Yeah, he's got tiny fingers.
But this one's a bigger finger. Watch. See? It's a little bit.
Oh, sure.
That's enough. Thank you. Hello. Oh, yummy? Not hot. What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you, buddy.
No, why the smoke? The smoke is coming out.
That's flavour. That's not sweet. That's flavour.
Blow it. It's not hot? Nandun si Indy sa baba. Yeah, blow it many times.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.